I gave Shonali a call and I was just like, let me try it out. I have to admit that it took a few days for me to understand why I would want to eat that food. You know, you're sort of relying on a certain dabba system that comes your way. It's also timings. You know, we have this erratic lifestyle. And once again, something changed in me. Like I could feel that little things like my immunity went up and I started feeling great. My skin started feeling good.
I was going through the paper one day and I see these tiffin dabba walas, and I called her up because what I read was macrobiotic, organic, no dairy, less salt. And it just sounded really, I was actually more than anything just curious to know how this would taste good. When I got my first tiffin, I was just really shocked that this food, first of all, there was so much food. And I was like, how can I be eating so much food? And there's rice in there, and then there's, all these sorts of salads. And as time went by, I realized that this is actually the most well-balanced diet and the best that I'd ever felt in my life.
शोनाली जो खाना देती हैं वो लंच और डिनर से होता है, पर जो वो एक तरह की जिसे कहते हैं सीख देती है खाने के बारे में, वो हमारे ब्रेकफास्ट से शुरू होती है। सुबह सुबह उठते ही शोनाली की तरफ से एक ईमेल आती है जिसमें हमें बताया जाता है कि दिन में क्या खाना है, क्या नहीं खाना है। और I've been on her diet for almost 2 years now. And it's changed everything for me and it's become a part of my life. और मेरे लिए diet does not mean, और मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि diet का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि सब सोचते हैं कि कम खाना, but it's not about eating less, it's about eating right, and that's what Shonali and her beauty diet and her book talks about.
I think it's opened my eyes to a lot of things concerning food and the nutrition, the basic nutrition that we need. And I think, being on this diet has just changed me drastically in terms of how in terms of my energy levels, and now how I view fitness and how I view food and how I view nutrition as a whole, because it's very wholesome.
डाइट जो है, आप जिस तरह सोचते हैं खाने के बारे में, या फिर द वे यू फील, द वे जैसे कई बार अगर आप किताब भी पढ़ेंगे तो चाहे द ह्यूमन बॉडी क्रेव्स two things, one is salt and one is sugar. The thing is that you have to stay away from these two because they are almost like poison, and Shonali kind of cuts the salt, cuts the sugar, but आप लोग सोचते होंगे कि ये क्या मतलब, ये किस तरह का खाना है, but it's about conditioning.
After I started Shonali's diet, I got my first item song and things progressively just got better for me, and I really think it's about being in a better state of mind, and food and nutrition plays such an important part in that.